Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some cool DIY project ideas that you can try next. So we kind of saw a bit of this same project idea a few days ago. This person is doing something similar. They are using the fans to make a ceiling light. Wow, very impressive. Next up, we have this DIY Ottoman design. So they take like an old one and then they're going to transform it into something new. So they're using some pool noodles for this. Wow, that went from a square to a circle. Now I feel like this would provide, like the pool noodles will really provide like a nice amount of cushion. So this is actually a really cool idea. Oh, and they used a blanket for the fabric. Wow, very cool. Put a little tray on there and it becomes a table. Next up, it looks like we have some plant pots here. So they're doing like the paper mache technique. I think what they're trying to make ultimately is a table. I'm just gonna guess that right now. Yeah, very nice side table. I like that base too. Very cool indeed. So we have some wooden sticks for the next project. They almost look like toothpicks the way she's cutting them up, like real small. Oh, I have no idea what she's making. Candle holder? Oh, a napkin ring holder. Wow, very cute. I would actually like to see this spray painted gold. I bet that would look amazing. Alright, so we have someone with these plastic bowls here. Looks like they might be making, oh yeah, a floating candle holder. Very cool. Now this is a very easy project to replicate. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going to leave you with this last IKEA hack, and I will see you in the next one.